You're not stuck. You're just soft. Weak habits, weak mindset, weak circle, and every day you choose to stay there. You say you want to change, but your actions are still controlled by comfort. You scroll more than you study. You sleep more than you grind. You run from pain instead of using it. That's not depression. That's discipline deficiencies. You don't trust yourself. You make promises and break them in silence. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes next year. That's why no one respects you, because deep down you don't even respect yourself. The truth, no one's coming, no mentor, no motivation, no savior, just you and the mirror. If you want to be dangerous in this world, you need to become a different animal. That means sacrifice. That means structure. That means suffering on purpose. Wake up before your demons. Train when no one's watching. Read when others scroll. Build discipline like your life depends on it, because it does. Every hour you waste is another version of you dying off. Motivation? Nah. They had pain and turned it into power. They had fear and used it as fuel. They didn't negotiate with weakness. They murdered it. And now they walk different. They think different. You can too, but only if you kill the soft version of you first. So stop blaming life. Stop blaming parents or your past. Friends, you're not broken. You're just undisciplined. And the only way out is through fire. Burn the old you. Build the new one in silence.